How to fix Roblox 100% CPU usage. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll be talking about fixing 100% CPU usage on Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Make sure that this Roblox client is open and you should see a game running. Locate the Roblox client under the Apps section and right click on it. Then choose Go to Details. This will highlight the Roblox player. Right-click on the highlighted Roblox player, hover over Set Priority and select High. Then click Change Priority to confirm. Next, you can click on the search bar in the taskbar and type Background Apps. In the settings, uncheck the option that says Let apps run in the background, and this should help reduce your CPU usage while playing Roblox. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.